Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss Web 3.0. Before discussing Web 3.0, first we understand what is Web 1.0 and 2.0. Web 1.0 was the first generation of the World Wide Web, also referred to as the read-only web. Web 1.0 began as an information place for businesses to broadcast their information, and only allowed users to search for information and read it. Example of Web 1.0 are static websites and personal sites. Web 2.0 refers to websites that emphasize user-generated content, ease of use, participatory culture and interoperability for end users. The term was coined by Darcy Dinucci in 1999 and later popularized by Tim O'Reilly and Dale Doherty at the first Web 2.0 conference in late 2004. Web 2.0 examples include hosted services Google Maps, web applications Google Docs, Flickr, video sharing sites YouTube, wikis MediaWiki, blogs, WordPress, social networking Facebook, Folksonomies, Delicious, microblogging, Twitter, podcasting, Podcast Alley, and content hosting services and many more. Now move to Web 3.0. Web 3.0 is the third generation of the evolution of web technologies. The web, also known as the World Wide Web, is the foundational layer for how the Internet is used, providing website and application services. Let's understand how Web 3.0 works. With Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 technologies, hypertext markup language, HTML, defines the layout and delivery of web pages. HTML will continue to be a foundational layer with Web 3.0, but how it connects to data sources and where those data sources reside could be somewhat different than earlier generations of the web. Many websites and nearly all applications in the Web 2.0 era rely on some form of centralized database to deliver data and help to enable functionality. With Web 3.0, instead of a centralized database, applications and services make use of a decentralized blockchain. With blockchain, the basic idea is that there isn't an arbitrary central authority, but rather a form of distributed consensus. An emerging governance ideal within the blockchain and Web 3.0 community is the concept of a decentralized autonomous organization DAO. Instead of having a central authority that governs the operations of a platform, with a DAO, Web 3.0 technologies and communities provide a form of self-governance in an attempted decentralized approach. Now let's understand the problem with Web 2.0. Number 1. Censorship. Censorship is an issue that has emerged into the public's awareness in the last couple of years. Because internet power is concentrated in a few large entities, these entities can censor and filter information as they see fit, making social media an autocracy rather than a democracy of worldviews. With power centralized, political agendas are at the center of what filters the information people can access. This is a dangerous mechanism that obscures the truth and controls populations to adopt certain views and principles while silencing the ones that don't fit the agenda. Number 2. Stealing personal data. We are at the mercy of large companies such as Google, YouTube, and Facebook. These companies provide us with free services. Users regularly give pieces of their information to third-party entities in order to gain access to products and services. Users therefore must either trust that these entities are keeping their info secure, or forfeit their personal information willingly to the wider public of target marketing and ignore that Web 2.0 databases regularly experience hacks and data breaches. This is the end of video. Thank you for watching complete video.